So our today's topic is about factorization, how to calculate LCM and SCM of any number. So the first question is, what is prime number? The first point, take your notebook and pen and start noting down. First topic is, what is prime number? The definition of prime number is that it is a whole number which is greater than 1. That cannot be made by multiplying other whole numbers. Okay, this is the definition. Prime number is any number which is a whole number and greater than 1, like 2, 3, 5, 7. And it is not made by multiplying other number. Like we can see that if 10 is there, we can write 10 as 2 into 5. So 10 is not a prime number. Like 5 is there. 5, we cannot multiply any number to get 5. So 5 is our prime number. So our prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. 8 is not a prime number. Why? Because 2 into 4 is equals to 8. We can get 8 by multiplying two numbers. Like 9 is not a prime number. We will multiply 3 into 3. In that case, we will get 9. So prime number is any number which is greater than 1. 1 is not prime number. Which is greater than 1, and we cannot get it by multiplying two numbers. Okay. Like 7, we cannot get 7 by multiplying any of the two numbers. We can get 15 by multiplying 3 and 5. So 15 is a prime number. Sorry, 15 is not a prime number. Okay, clear? If anybody is having any doubt, you can raise your hand because you are mute. So this was the, note down the definition of prime number. This is prime number. Now the next question is, what is factor? Next question is factor. The definition of factors is factors are the numbers you multiply together to get another number. Okay, factors means any two numbers, by multiplying those numbers you will get a new number, that is called a factor. Like if we will multiply 2 and 3, then we will get 6. So factor of 6 is 2 and 3. Okay, if we will multiply 2 into 3 into 4, then the answer is 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24. In this case, the factor of 24 is 2, 3, 4. Okay, factor of any number can be more than 2. Okay, it could be 2 also and more than 2 also. So the first point was prime number. The second point is factors. Prime number is any number which is more than 1, and we cannot get that number by multiplying two numbers. And the second definition was factors. Factors are any number, by multiplying them you can get the number. Like to get the 6 you can multiply 2 and 3. To get 24 you can multiply 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 are the factors of 24. Anybody was raising their hand? Akanksha Rana. Akshara Rana, speak. You are unmute.
Morning.
Good morning. Akshara, you are raising your hand. Do you have any doubt? If you are not having any doubt, do not raise your hand. Okay. So now the next concept comes, that is prime factorization. The next concept is prime factorization. Prime factorization, it is finding which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. So this is the definition of prime factorization. Prime factorization means finding the prime numbers. By multiplying those numbers, you will get a new number. Like in 24, the example earlier was given 24. In this, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, but 4 is not a prime number. So this is not the prime factors of 24. Prime factors means only those numbers will come which are prime. Like 4 we can type as 2 into 2. 4 we can type as 2 into 2. So prime factors of 24 is 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. All the numbers, by multiplying these numbers, we can get 24. All these numbers are prime numbers. This is called prime factorization. Now the next concept is how to calculate prime factors of any number. We will use upside down division method. We are going to use, this is called upside down division method. Okay. By using this method, we can calculate prime number of any given number. How? We are taking example of 24 only. Okay. We will calculate the prime number of 24. See, 24 is there. If we will divide 24 by 2, what number we will get? We will get 12. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. And if we will divide 12 by 2 once again, then what number we will get? We will get 6. Good, very good. And now if we will divide 6 by 2 also we can divide, 3 also we can divide. But we will take the smallest prime number, okay? So here I will type 2. If I will divide 6 by 2, then what answer will come? The answer is 3. Very good. And now I will divide it by 3. So now what answer I will get?
1.
1. And if 1 is there, then no need to divide further. If remainder is coming 1, then no need, this quotient is coming 1, then no need to divide it again. Okay. So what you will do, you will just put lines like this, okay? Like this, you can put lines. Earlier also I have drawn. Got it? If anyone is having any doubt, raise your hand. नेहा, लेटी हुई हो तुम?
लेटी हुई हो तुम? टीचर बार बार बच्चों को कह रहा है लेटे हुए हो तुम, सीधे बैठो.
Mayank, you are having doubt? Wait a minute. Mayank, you are unmute now. You can ask your doubt.
मैम मैंने नोटबुक में करना है.
सिर में करना है खुलो.
हाँ, note in notebook you have to do.
And fair.
हाँ, in fair note you can ask this bete from Huma ma'am. Okay. Now you just note down all these things in your rough notebook.
Okay, मैम.
Okay. Now you lower your hand. Now the next concept is, you all have done this. I am removing it. Okay. Now the next concept is LCM and HCF. LCM means lowest common. हाँ, very good.
Multiple.
Very good. Okay. And HCF, highest common factor. Okay. We will take one example of both. Suppose we are considering 15 and 18. The numbers which we are taking, that number is 15 and 18. And here I will calculate HCF. In one example, we can learn both of these. That is highest common factor. Okay. We are considering number 15 and 18. So first, what we will do, first of all, we will calculate the prime factors. Okay. First, we will calculate the prime factors. Jatin, sit down. Jatin, sit properly. Sit, I said sit, Jatin. So the first step is calculate the prime factors of 15 and 18. For calculating LCM and HCM both, we have to calculate the prime factors first. So now we will calculate the prime factors of 15.
सेजल को आवाज नहीं आ रही. सेजल कह रही है आवाज इज नॉट क्लियर.
Ma'am,
सेजल
network is not there because rest of them are getting clear voice.
Okay.
Net is not there, means this is the main problem, ma'am, if she is not listening the clear voice.
Okay, let it be continue.
15. We are calculating the prime factors for 15. First, we will divide 15 by which number? Any reply?
Why are some of the students? Aditya single. Why are you sitting without work? Move your hand on copy. Aditya single.
So
Don't sit by folded hand.
all teachers are watching you. You all have to sit properly and turn on your camera. So 15, we are going to take out the prime factors of 15. We cannot divide 15 by 2 because 15 is odd number, and by 2 we can divide only even numbers. Okay, so we can divide 15 by 3. By dividing 15 by 3, what will come? 5. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Now you can see that 5 is divisible by only 5. It is not divisible by any other prime number. So we will divide 5 by 5 only. Okay, and after dividing 5 by 5, the remainder is 1. If the remainder is 1, then we need not to divide it further. मैम जतिन अभी भी लेटा हुआ है. So in your notebook you will put lines like this, and in one line you will do calculation of one step. And now in the same way we will calculate the prime factors of 18. In the same way we are going to calculate the prime factors of 18. Okay, first we will see, we can divide 18 by 2, 3, 6. Okay, but what number we will take? First of all, we have to see that we are going to take the prime number. The prime number by which 18 can be divided, that is 2 and 3. 6 is not a prime number. So now we are having two numbers to divide 18, 2 and 3. From these two numbers, we will take the smallest prime number, that is 2. Okay, if we will divide 18 by 2, then the what answer we will get? What will? 9. Okay. Now we will divide 9 by another number. We can divide 9 by only 3, and 3 is a prime number. We can divide this 9 by 3. Okay. Now what we will get? We will get now 3. Again 3 we can divide by 3 only. So we will divide it by 3. Okay. And now the answer is 1. Again, you while doing in notebook, you will put lines like this. Done, all of you? If you are having any doubt, you can raise your hand. Okay, now I'm going to write the prime factors. Prime factors of 15 is 3 into 5. Okay, and prime factors of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, prime factor of 15 is 5 and 3. Prime factor of 18, 2, 3, 3. Okay. In this way, we can calculate prime factors of any number. जतिन अभी भी लेटा हुआ है, प्रभाकर मैम. प्रभाकर मैम, उमा मैम, जतिन का नाम हम प्रिंसिपल सर को देंगे.
हाँ ठीक है, बिल्कुल सरिता.
अभी भी लेटा हुआ मैम, आप स्क्रीन पे अभी भी देखो, पिल्लो पे सिर रख के लेटा हुआ है. ग्रीन कलर का पिल्लो है इसका.
पर्सनली कॉल भी करूंगी इसे.
हाँ जी. अमित, you are having any doubt? You can ask.
Ma'am, my name is Rudransh.
हाँ, you are having any doubt? Ask.
No, ma'am.
You are raising your hand. Maya.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, option में आएंगे.
बेटे, do not ask about question paper. Now we are doing class now. You be careful in the class only. Be attentive. Later we will discuss about question paper also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Mayank Singh.
Excuse me, मैम.
हाँ.
मैम हमने प्राइम फ्रैक्शन का वो डेफिनेशंस नहीं लिखी.
Okay, I will send you video. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will send you video of this class. So in that you can note down. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other doubt is there?
Yes,
No
ma'am.
hand is raised. Okay. Now, in this way, we can calculate the prime factors of any number. Like 15, we have calculated 5 and 3 is the prime factor of 15. And then 18, 2, 3 and 3 is the prime factor of 18. By multiplying 2, 3, 3, we will get 18. And by multiplying 5 and 3, we will get 15. Okay. Now we will learn how to calculate LCM and HCF. Okay. Now we will learn how to calculate LCM and HCF. See what we have to do. First we have to calculate prime factor of both the number. Like here I'm going to calculate LCM of 15 and 18. LCM means lowest common multiple. Means the lowest number by which common multiple number by which 15 and 18 both are divisible. Okay. So the multiple of prime factor of 15 is 5 and 3. And the multiple prime factor of 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now to calculate lowest common factor, what we have to do? We have to write each and every number once. If any pair is there, then we have to write down the number in pair. Like see, here 5 is only once, so we will type 5. And next 2 is only once, so we will type 2 again. Okay. One pair of 3 is there. You can see over here, one pair of 3 is there. My mouse cursor is here. 3 and 3. So one pair of 3 is there. We have to see in 15 and 18 both. In 15 and 18 both, 3 and 3 is once. So for the pair, we will write it only once. And next, you can see here, my mouse pointer is there. This is only 1 3 left. So we will write this 1 3 again. So by multiplying all these numbers, we will get 5 into 2, 10, 10 into 3, 30, 30 into 3, 90. Okay? Got it? Anybody is having any doubt, you can raise your hand. So LCM of 15 and 18 is 90. 90 is divisible by 15 and 18 both. Okay. Now the next is HCF. HCF means highest common factor. Means the common factor by which both number can be divided. Again, we will take the prime numbers. 15 equals to 5 into 3. Okay. And 18 equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. What we have to do, we have to take the pair only to calculate HCF. Okay. We have to take the pair only to calculate HCF. Here you can say 5 is only once, so no pair is there for 5. 2 is only once, so no pair for 2 is there. one pair of 3 is there, because once 3 is in 15 and once 3 is in 18. In 18, 3 is twice, but the pair is of only 1. We are having 1 3 in 15, so there will be only one pair. So the HCF of 15 and 13 is equals to 3. When you will do in your notebook, you will make the pair like this. This is one pair. Okay? And while calculating the LCM, what you will do, see 5 is only once, so it will be selected single. 2 is only once again, but there is a pair from 15 and 18 of 3. One pair is there, so we will circle 3 and 3 once, and another 3 is there. Okay, so we will write this one, and we will write then this one 2, then pair of 3 is there, so we will write once only this pair. We will not repeat each and every number. If pair is coming, so we will write once only for pair, and next number we can write like this, 3 is there. Okay, any doubt is there? This was the way how to calculate LCM and HCF.